I should have told you. I kept all my notes, stacked them like bills right in my coat. Swallowed each one, didn't let it show. You never asked, so I let it go. But I kept all my notes. Yeah, I kept all my notes. You were late, I said it's fine. You forgot, I said it's time. I was right, but I rewind just to make it smooth for you. Skip the fight, skip the questions. Bit my tongue in every session. Play the part, skip confession. And you never had a clue. Now you're long gone, but your name still holds, yeah, more than I should give it. I kept all my notes, stacked them like bills right in my coat. Swallowed each one, didn't let it show. You never asked, so I let it go. But I kept all my notes. Yeah, I kept all my notes. I'm not mad, I'm just done. You can have your version, mine's the one where I left with every word I didn't send. I kept all my notes, folded them neat under my throat. You only heard what I let float, but there was more you'll never know. Yeah, I kept all my notes. Still carry those. I kept all my notes. You were last online at 2:13. I waited 10 minutes, didn't mean to. Typed I miss you, backspace did clean. It didn't sound right, but it was true. Check the weather in your city just to guess what you might wear. Funny how I've gone from talking to you to acting like you're not there. Some things aren't worth pressing send. Still hurts more than I pretend. Type it then delete it. Felt it but you won't read it. I said it in my head but not in the thread. Guess I still mean. Type it then delete it. Thought it but never needed to put it in bold when you already know. I just couldn't leave. Still pops up when I start to search. Muscle memory or just a glitch. Wrote hope you're good, then rewrote worse and landed on nothing. Again I flinch. Scrolled through photos I should've cleared. Stopped at the one with your face half turned. I don't know if you kept any of mine or if they're where they belong burned. I could've asked how you've been, but you know how that ends. Typed it then delete it. Felt it but you won't read it. I said it in my head but not in the thread. Guess I still